In this video, I will show you how to connect Instagram to Facebook page. So let's get started. Note that you need a professional Instagram account to link your Facebook page if you use Meta Business Manager. If you have personal Instagram account, then you can switch to professional one when you start linking. Also, you must have Facebook access to a page to manage linked accounts. First open Facebook app on your mobile. Now tap your profile icon located at the bottom right side. Now tap down arrow to see all the profiles. We need to switch to the page that we want to connect to Instagram. So just select the page. Next, tap your page profile picture in the bottom right side. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Tap Settings. Now scroll down and under Permissions, tap Linked Accounts. Now next to the Instagram, tap View. Now tap Connect Account. Then follow on-screen steps to connect your Facebook page and Instagram account. So that is how you can connect Instagram to Facebook page. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.